Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Opendoor stock, which today is down by 5.14%. Over the course of tonight's film, we're going to be speaking about this and I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, but as always do make sure to remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight into tonight's film, we have a few things to point out. Of course, we've seen Opendoor stock over the course of today's trading begin to drop ever so slightly. If you have a look at what we're seeing the lows into Friday, we have seen the stock ultimately drop down to the 770s. However, support in the last day particularly does appear to be holding strong right around this marker here, which is right around the $8 mark. My hope going forwards into next week is that we will see this one continue to hold the $8 mark. This would be an ideal situation in my opinion. In terms of levels below that, if you were to drop, I'd then be looking down to numbers such as the 795 range. 790 is just below that. I feel like if you were to drop below that, it could be all the way down to 780, maybe 775, and if you drop below that, it could be down to 750s. In terms of rises from here, I'm initially looking at numbers such as 840, I'm looking at 850 from there. If you break 850, I am looking up to numbers such as 865. If you can push above that, I would be looking up to numbers at 880, and numbers above 880 would take us to 895 for a hopeful push above $9, and then onto numbers such as 925 and ultimately 950 and 960. This is what I'm looking for either way, guys. I am impressed by the fact that the RSI is continuing to fall. So right now we're in the neutral range. If anything, next week it could be all to play for. I'm going to be keeping my eyes on this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thank you and goodbye for now.